Solution for this example, you're now told that we want to copy this data. Let's put it down here somewhere. And now we must use a chart called volume high low close. So let's just go find it. You'll see if I go here and I hover there, it says volume high low close. Now the important thing to realize is that the order that it's named is the way it should be, and at the moment we've got close high low volume, so it might be useful. I've controlled exit just to move it around, control X. So what we've now got it in is in the order that the chart would like it. So you could have either done like what we did or else just linked to these cells, but now should be as easy as go insert, go to the one called volume high low close. When I click on it, you'll see it now shows this data, and what we can see now is the volume of the shares is shown with the columns, and then instead of having the lines like we've done here, we've got lines that go up and down showing us the high for the day, the low for the day, and where we actually ended for the day.